Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore some amazing backyard patio designs ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional oasis. Whether you are looking for a cozy spot to relax or a space to entertain guests, we have got you covered. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's dive in. Importance of backyard patio designs. Before we jump into the designs ideas, let's talk about why backyard patio design is so crucial. A well-designed patio enhances the overall aesthetics of your outdoor area and adds value to your home. It creates a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces, providing a perfect place to unwind and enjoy the beauty of nature. Backyard patio design. Now let's get started to exciting part, the backyard patio designs ideas. The backyard patio designs. Whether you have a large or small backyard, these designs can be tailored to suit your needs. We will explore different themes, materials, and layouts to help you create a personalized and inviting patio space. One crucial aspect of any patio design is selecting the right outdoor furniture. We will discuss various different furniture options from cozy lounge chairs to elegant dining sets that will elevate the comfort and style of your patio. Discover how different furniture arrangements can create a welcoming atmosphere for relaxation and entertainment. Are you a fan of type sets? We will showcase some creative and budget-friendly ideas to inspire you to personalize your outdoor space. Learn how to build your own fire pit, create a unique mosaic patio, or incorporate repurposed materials into your designs. These projects will not only add character to your patio but also give you a sense of accomplishment. To create a captivating ambience in your backyard, outdoor lighting is essential. We will explore various lighting options including string lights, pathway lighting, and accent lighting to make your patio shine even after the sun sets. Discover how different lighting techniques can enhance the mood and aesthetic of your outdoor space. That's wrap up our backyard patio designs video. We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and motivated you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning patio retreat. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which patio designs idea was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home improvement and design content. Until next time, happy designing.